I'm going to discuss about the cervical vertebra. So, the cervical vertebra is found at the neck, on the neck. And there are 7 bones of the cervical, but they're divided into 2. There's the atlas axis, and then there are other 5 which have the same structure, so they're considered as one. So the atlas and the axis, who knows how it looks? Everyone show me your atlas. Yes, I know it's one. Who doesn't know? It's this one. Okay. So the atlas. The atlas has features. For example, this is the neural spine. What do you say the neural spine is? Like, is it short? Yes, it's short. And there's the neural canal. What do you say about the neural canal? Yes, it's wide. It has a wide neural canal. Then we have the transverse processes. This one, how are the transverse processes? Yes, Adia. Yeah, the transverse processes are broad and they're flat. Which other one? Who has a point to add? No one? I'm not saying, Safia. Yeah, you can say it has a reduced septum or it has no septum. You can choose. Then you go to the axis. Show me your axis. So, the first identification feature of the axis, it has odontoid processes. These are the odontoid processes. Okay. Then, when you look at the bone, it has how is the neural spine? Neural spine. The neural spine. It's not. It's broad. The neural spine is broad, guys. Yes, it is. Then, it has vertebraterial canal. These are the small holes which are here. And then, the last thing, it has short transverse processes. Okay. Yeah. Then one more thing, the atlas and the axis help in the nodding of the head. Yeah. Who has a question? No one? Yes, thank you.